Now let's see what the composition of functions are. Let's say that f is a function from set x to set y. So f of x is equal to y, right? And let g be a function from set y to set z, which means that g of y is equal to z. Now, since y is equal to f of x, it's fair to assume that we can write down this y as f of x. So g of f of x is equal to z, right? The composition of f and g is a function denoted by g of, right? We need to express this g in another way, and that is g of from set x to set z. So g of x is equal to g of f of x, right? So instead of writing this g of f of x is equal to z, you can just write g of x. So let's see the explanation. Let's consider two real valued functions of f and g, right? F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. G of x is equal to x squared, right? Now that we have this, then g of x is g of f of x, right? As I told you before, g of x is equal to g of f of x, which means that in this f of x now can be replaced with 2x plus 3. So g of x basically means g of f of x. So that means that this x is replaced with whatever f of x is, and that is 2x plus 3. So that just basically means g of 2x plus 3, right? And what does that equal? Since g of x is equal to x squared, this x is replaced with 2x plus 3, which is now, so x squared is now equal to 2x plus 3 whole square.